Let's dive in. Pi Network just saw over 50,000 new wallets activated in only 5 days. That's an incredible milestone for any digital platform, but for Pi, it's a sign of something even bigger brewing beneath the surface. The energy in the community is palpable, and the excitement is spreading fast. That's 10,000 new wallets every single day, a massive surge that shows real momentum. Each day, thousands of people are joining the network, eager to be part of this growing ecosystem. It's not just a number. It's a wave of new pioneers stepping into the future of digital currency. This isn't just hype, it's proof the core team is scaling up for mass adoption. Behind the scenes, developers and engineers are working tirelessly to ensure the platform can handle this explosive growth. Their dedication is what's making this rapid expansion possible. These activations mean the infrastructure is being stress-tested and improved in real time. Every new wallet puts the system through its paces, revealing what works and what needs to be optimized. It's a crucial phase for any tech project aiming for global reach. Think of it as opening more lanes on a highway before rush hour hits. The team is making sure the network can handle millions, not just thousands, of users. This preparation is what will keep things running smoothly as adoption accelerates. Each activated wallet represents a real person who's passed KYC and is ready to use Pi. These aren't just bots or empty accounts, these are verified users, each bringing their own story and potential to the network. This isn't just about growing numbers, it's about turning users into active participants. Every new member strengthens the community, making the network more vibrant and resilient. It's about building a movement, not just a user base. Processing 50,000 accounts in less than a week shows the team's automation and validation systems are working at scale. The technology is robust, and the processes are efficient, allowing for seamless onboarding even as numbers skyrocket. This level of efficiency builds confidence in both the technology and the team's ability to deliver. It reassures users that their assets are secure and that the project is in capable hands, ready for whatever comes next. For everyone mining Pi, this is a clear sign. The foundation is being built, and your patience is paying off. The groundwork laid today will support the innovations and opportunities of tomorrow. The project is moving from speculation to real, measurable progress. With every new activation, Pi Network is proving it's not just a vision, it's becoming a reality, step by step, user by user. Why do 50,000 new wallets matter? It's not just a number, it's a signal that something big is happening in the world of digital currency. Each new wallet represents a real person joining the network, bringing their trust, curiosity, and energy into the ecosystem because every wallet strengthens the network's stability and decentralization. The more people who participate, the less control any single entity has, making the system fairer and more robust for everyone involved. More active wallets mean a more resilient, secure system. Harder to disrupt, easier to trust. With every new user, the network becomes less vulnerable to attacks and more capable of withstanding challenges. This surge is a leap toward true decentralization, the backbone of any valuable cryptocurrency. It's a sign that the vision of a global, user-powered network is becoming reality, step by step. More wallets mean a bigger marketplace for Pi, attracting developers and merchants to the ecosystem. As the user base grows, so does the potential for new apps, services, and real-world use cases. It's the network effect in action. More users, more value, more growth. Every new wallet adds momentum, making Pi more useful and desirable for everyone. This rapid onboarding also stress tests the blockchain, helping the team fix issues before the open mainnet. It's a crucial phase, revealing bottlenecks and opportunities for improvement. It's a smart, proactive way to ensure a smooth launch when the network opens to the world. By identifying and solving problems now, the team is setting the stage for long-term success. For the community, it's a huge morale boost. Proof that daily mining and patience are leading to real results. It validates the effort and commitment of every member. The abstract idea of Pi is becoming a reality, with thousands preparing for the next phase. The excitement is building, and anticipation is in the air as the network grows stronger. This shared progress keeps the community engaged and motivated. Together, they're not just witnessing history, they're making it, one wallet at a time. Still waiting for your wallet activation? Don't worry, there's a method to the rollout. The team is activating wallets in batches to ensure security and stability, not all at once. This prevents system overload and keeps the process smooth for everyone. If your wallet is pending, it just means your batch hasn't been processed yet. While you wait, double-check your mainnet checklist in the Pi app, create and confirm your wallet, and complete KYC. Incomplete steps are the most common cause of delays. Once your checklist is done, just keep mining daily. Stay active and patient. Don't submit multiple KYC applications or unnecessary support tickets. The system is automated and will process your account in turn. Your patience will pay off as more batches are activated in the coming weeks. Stay engaged, keep mining, and your turn will come. The process is working, just give it time. Another big milestone, accounts moving from orange to green status. Orange means you've passed KYC, but your Pi hasn't hit your mainnet wallet yet. Green status means your Pi is officially migrated to the blockchain and fully yours. This is the moment your mined Pi becomes a real, self-custodied, digital asset. The system carefully calculates your transferable balance, ensuring fairness and blocking unverified accounts. The orange period is a final check before your Pi is locked in on the blockchain. Seeing your status turn green is confirmation you're now a true participant in the decentralized network. Once migrated, your Pi's security is in your hands. Protect your wallet passphrase. Lose it, and your Pi is gone forever. There's no recovery. This is the essence of self-custody in crypto. Getting your green light is a game changer. You now own your Pi on the mainnet. During the enclosed mainnet, you can transfer Pi to other verified users and spend it in Pi-powered apps and marketplaces. This is where Pi's real utility begins, as a medium of exchange, not just a speculative asset. Every migrated account strengthens the network and its economy, making it more attractive to developers. With millions of active wallets, Pi becomes a fertile ground for new apps and services. Your participation helps set a baseline value for Pi through real transactions. This phase is about building a self-sustaining digital economy before opening to the world. Every transaction, no matter how small, gives Pi real meaning and value. You're not just a user, you're a founding citizen of this new digital nation. The big goal is clear. Open Mainnet is set to launch in early 2025. This is the milestone the entire Pi community has been working toward, and it's just around the corner. The anticipation is building as we move closer to this historic moment, one that will mark a new era for Pi and its global network of pioneers. That's when Pi will finally connect to the wider crypto world, listing on major exchanges, enabling external transactions, and opening up new opportunities for everyone involved. For the first time, Pi will be tradable and usable outside the enclosed ecosystem, allowing you to truly realize the value of what you've been mining. This is the moment Pi's full potential is unlocked. It's the culmination of years of dedication, innovation, and community effort. Imagine the possibilities as Pi becomes accessible to millions more people worldwide, sparking new projects, businesses, and collaborations. Until then, every Pi you mine becomes more valuable, as mining rates will continue to decrease and eventually stop altogether. The scarcity of new coins will make each one you earn now even more significant in the future. Think of this as the final sprint. Now's the time to stay consistent and maximize your stake. Every day counts, and your efforts now will determine your future rewards. Keep your mining sessions going and encourage your security circle to stay active. The more engaged your network, the stronger your position will be when Open Mainnet arrives. The core team's announcement of a target date shows real confidence and progress. It's a sign that the project is on track and that the vision is becoming reality. This isn't a vague promise, it's a concrete timeline, giving everyone a clear goal to work toward and a reason to stay motivated. The countdown is on, and your daily activity matters more than ever. Each mining session, each contribution, brings us all closer to the finish line. The foundation is set, the economy is growing, and the finish line is in sight. The groundwork laid by the community is about to pay off in a big way. Stay focused. Your role as a pioneer is critical in this final phase. Your commitment and teamwork will help ensure a successful launch for everyone. The window to mine at current rates is closing fast. Don't miss your chance to be part of this historic transition. Keep mining, stay engaged, and get ready for the future of Pi. Let's clear up the confusion about Pi's price. The prices you see on some exchanges are just IOUs, speculative bets, not real Pi. Real Pi can't be traded or withdrawn yet, so those prices are meaningless. The true value of Pi is being set inside the ecosystem, through real transactions for goods and services. The official price will only be established after open mainnet, when Pi is listed on legitimate exchanges. Past high IOU prices were pure hype, current low prices are just as irrelevant. Focus on the facts. Pi's value is being built by its community and real-world use, not speculation. Ignore external price noise until the real market opens. True price discovery starts after open mainnet in 2025. What will drive Pi's real price? Utility. The more people use Pi for real transactions, buying, selling, playing, building, the more valuable it becomes. The open mainnet launch will be a catalyst, exposing Pi to global markets and new investors. Scarcity will matter too. As mining ends, supply is capped, and demand from a growing ecosystem can push prices up. Early pioneers will be the first suppliers, and if demand outpaces their willingness to sell, prices rise. Community strength is a huge asset. Millions of engaged users create momentum and attract developers. Real utility, a successful open mainnet, limited supply, and a massive community are the recipe for a breakout. The focus now: build apps, use Pi, and grow the ecosystem. The groundwork is being laid for real, sustainable value. The future price will reflect the network's real-world impact. Pi Network isn't just another crypto, it's building a digital nation with its own economy and apps. The recent wallet activations and migration to green status are foundational steps in this vision. Pi's goal is inclusivity, a decentralized, accessible ecosystem for everyone. As a pioneer, you're more than a miner, you're a founding citizen helping build this economy from scratch. The network's strength is its people, millions united for a more accessible financial future. Stay focused on official updates in the Pi app, not external speculation. Watch for real progress checklist updates, wallet activations, new apps in the Pi browser. The foundation is stronger than ever, and the vision is becoming reality, one wallet at a time. By staying engaged and informed, you're part of a groundbreaking social and financial experiment. The long-term potential is immense, and it's being built by you every day.